For me to get an apron today, that broth has to be bang on.
Yum. I love it. I love it. I love the fact that you've brought the broth that really vibrates with lemon. You've adjusted it and you push it right into the savoury area.
It absolutely sings. The fish is perfect and the potato was fantastic, that textural balance against the very soft fish.
Thank you.
Thumbs up.
Thank
Well
you so
done.
much.
Good job.
Michelle, it's your turn.
It's lemon chilli prawns with goat's cheese.
I feel you've lost the prawn in all that other flavour.
Brandon.
I've cooked a macaron shell with a ocean trout mousse.
Does it look a little bit kitchen 70s? Yes. But, you know, you got to smile when you look at it. Patty.
Lemon cured I fillet with fennel and radish salad and a spiced lemon dressing.
Flavour of the beef has been lost.
Grace.
I've cooked a lemon and citron pepper cured ocean trout.
You know, I think it needs. I just think it needs a bit more backbone.
Christina.
I've made a crispy rice ball salad with snapper and Timorese chilli and lemon dressing.
What's wrong?
You a bit hot?
It does have a kick, doesn't it?
It does have a kick.
Sorry.
George is sweating, which is unlucky Maggie's got hair.
And my tongue is tingling.
It's got to be hot.
Rihanna.
Lemon sablé, a rhubarb jam, lemon curd mousse, and a pistachio almond praline.
I love the flavour of it, but too much gelatin.
Aram, your turn. What is the dish?
I've made lemon drizzle cake with crunchy bits, marmalade, and a lemon honey thyme ice cream.
I can't wait to taste it. Have you finished?
Not yet.
Come on, Maggie. While Matt and Maggie are digging in for seconds, I think it's fair to say that that's quite a successful dish. And of course, you can never have enough outside of the cake, can you? So it works absolutely brilliantly. And then, of course, little thyme leaves.
Thyme. Yeah. Use of thyme's delicious. I think that's an absolute ripper dish.
A beautiful dish. That ice cream with the lemon thyme.
Really like it. Good luck.
I'm over the moon. I couldn't have asked for any better feedback. I'm almost feeling like I could be in with a chance of an apron.
Damien.
I'm walking my plate up to the judges and I'm worried because I know my pork's a little bit overcooked. Hopefully it doesn't ruin the dish. I've cooked a lemon roasted pork belly with crispy skin and a sticky lemon sauce.
Things I like, the crackling and that kind of buttery sweet but very pronounced lemon sauce, which is delicious with the pork.
I love the sauce. I think the sauce just is fantastic, so full of flavour. The lemon shines through, but the flavour underneath it is fantastic. If anything, is the pork a little overcooked? I would have cooked it in bigger pieces and then cut, because once you have small pieces of pork, you tend to overcook all the edges.
Yeah, the sauce is great, but the pork, and essentially, is really overcooked.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Eliza.
That's approval.
What's that little sauce on the side there?
That
is that for drizzles?
Lemon curd drizzle.
Go, drizzle away.
Or do you think it should be drizzled inside? Or
What if you want to dip?
Well, I
yes,
thought
yeah.
maybe around the side so then you can dip.
No, I want to lift the lid and drizzle all over.
drizzle.
Yeah, I agree.
For free, but not for Jill. Not for Jill.
No, yeah, I want to dip.
Want to dip on the side, dip?
Yes, please.
Great.
Maggie, dip on the side?
No, I want
Drizzled
it
inside.
Do you mind if I?
Yeah, please.
Look at that.
Yes. Yeah.
Shame there's not an extra one, really, isn't there? So what have you cooked? Tell us.
I've cooked lemon and fennel ice cream profiterole sandwiches.
Brilliant. I wasn't listening to any of that. I was just watching the drizzly bits. It's going to be messy.
Yeah, no,
isn't
but
it?
it's got to be.
It's gonna be messy.
That's the joy, though, Gary. Oh, man. Tangles of honey.
Oh. Want to go back for more?
Brain freeze.
You shouldn't put the whole thing in your mouth at once, Gary. That is what really good food's all about. It's fun. It absolutely smashes the flavour. But there's technique. There's technique in the ice cream, in that kind of curd-like sauce, and in those beautiful light profiteroles.
The texture of the profiterole and the fennel with the lemon and the sauce that you've just got to go back in for.
They are just spectacular in 75 minutes. Amazing.
To see Maggie not only taste but enjoy a dish that I've created that has pastry and lemon and all the things that she loves, it's incredible. I'm buzzing.
Wow, what a challenge. Some beautiful cooking, some beautiful food. There's 3 aprons up for grabs. If I call your name, please step forward. First up, you may guess this one, Eliza.
I can't believe it. I've got an apron. I have to pinch myself. It's incredible.
Welcome to the top 24. Go join your competitors. The second apron goes to Lee.
I can't believe I'm in the top 24. I can't believe I'm going to be going into the MasterChef house and cooking off all these other brilliant people around me.
Go and join the others. Okay, the third and final apron for today. Who's it going to be? Sarah.
That's so good. Now take this one off.
Oh my God. Oh my God. Not only have I cooked for these 3 guys plus Maggie Beer, I've got an apron.
There you go. Congratulations. You know, that coconut and lemon. Fantastic. And your pancake. Well done.
My life is about to change.
Join the top 24.